Namaste and hello friends. Welcome back to the video. Friends, as we all knows that to build up any structure, we need a strong and firm base. Same goes with the body also. After strengthening the back muscles, we have to strengthen the core so that the postures becomes easy. So let's practice together, beginning with the single leg raise. Now bring your feet together, interlock your fingers, stretch, 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 and exhale, release. Keeping your body straight, arms by the side, toes pointing towards you. As you inhale, lift your right leg as much as you can. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale, left leg. Exhale, down. This is the preparatory one that we are going to do 2 to 3 times. Make sure you are not looking back while lifting your head. Chin is relaxed. After doing 2 to 3 times, we are going to hold the legs. Now inhale, lift your right leg. Breathe, holding from your thigh, not from your knee joint. Feel the stretch while keeping your toes flexed. Now inhale, exhale slowly. Lift your head up, chest up as much as you can. Make sure you are not coming with a jerk. And breathe. Try not to tense your shoulders. Shoulders are relaxed. Breathe comfortably. If you feel, you can slightly bend your knee, but not too much. Keeping your opposite knee on the floor, straight and firm. Breathe. Take a couple of deep breathing. Feel the pressure on your abdomen region. The stretch is on your hamstring, on your calves. You can flex your toes few times. Exhale, head down, chest down. Gently bend your knee, hug your thigh. Those who have knee pain, try not to bend. They can just drop the leg straight down. Else, keeping your knee bent. Inhale, exhale, lift your head up, chest up. Make sure you're not tensing your shoulders. Shoulders are relaxed. Breathe. Feel the pressure again. This is to relax your back muscles. As much as closer if you can come. Then exhale, slowly head down, chest down. Then straight your leg or slightly bent. Then exhale on the floor. Now with the opposite leg, bring your feet together, toes flexed. Inhale, lift your leg, make sure knee is not bent, knee straight or as much as straight you can. Grab hold, feel the pull. Then inhale, exhale, head up, chest up. Coming up, walking up as much as you can. As I told you, you can slightly bend, but try not to hold from the knee joint. Breathe. Either thigh or calf muscle. Later on, you can reach towards your ankle or your toes. Breathe. Then inhale, exhale, head down, chest down, bend your knee, hug your thigh comfortably. Inhale, exhale, head up, chest up. Make sure your body is not leaning neither right nor left. It's straight. Then slowly head down, chest down. Lift your leg comfortably straight up and exhale, release. Your legs apart. If you want to stretch the spine, you can bring your feet, lengthen your spine and then release, and then you can relax. This was for the correction. Now we are going to do the second way. For the second way, bring your feet, lengthen, exhale. You can slightly bend your one leg, either right or left. Then on inhalation, lift the opposite leg, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. This you can do 8 to 10 times. Then inhale, lift your leg, grab hold. Inhale and exhale, head up, chest up. This time you can reach more up, but make sure spine straight, shoulders relax, you're not tensing your body. Then slowly exhale, head down, chest down, bend your knee, hug your thigh. You can straight the opposite leg. Inhale, exhale, head up, chest up. Same thing, Ardha Pavanmuktasana. Down, head down, lift your leg and exhale, release. Same way with the opposite leg. Bend. Inhale, lift your left leg few times. 8 to 10 times. Make sure you're not lifting your hip while doing this. Hip is on the floor. Your sacrum region is completely straight. Then grab hold. Then inhale, exhale, head up, chest up. Come up comfortably without tensing your body. Breathe. Breathe. This is the second way of doing the single leg raise. Body is relaxed. Focus on your breath and on your stretch. Then slowly head down, chest down. Bend your knee. Hug your thigh. Opposite knee straight. Inhale, exhale, head up, chest up. Breathe comfortably. Then slowly exhale, head down, chest down. Straighten your leg. And exhale, slowly release. This was the second way of doing this single leg raise. Legs apart, arms apart. Shavasana, breathe. We are going to do with the prop. Feet together. Stretch, stretch, and exhale, release. Now we are going to bend one leg. Left leg bend. Placing the belt on the sole of our right foot. Keeping our right knee straight. Breathe comfortably. Long inhale and exhale. You are going to feel an intense stretch on the posterior part of your leg. Make sure you are not bending your right knee. Moreover, you can straighten your left knee. Right knee straight. Breathe. You will lose the stretch from your hamstring if you bend your right knee. So keeping it straight is must. Then inhale and exhale slowly. Head up, chest up while holding a little bit more up. Breathe. Rest of the body parts are not tensed. Comfortably inhale and exhale. Then on exhalation, slowly head down, chest down. You can release the belt. You can slightly bend your knee to release. And then when you release the belt, make sure you are straighten your leg again and then exhale, dropping it down. Now going with the left leg, bend your right, place the belt on your base of left foot. Make sure you are not lifting your chin, you are not looking back. Chin is straight. Breathe. Knee straight. Inhale, exhale, head up, chest up. Or you can slightly straight your leg then also you can lift your body depending upon your flexibility. Make sure you're not bending, else you lose the stretch from the posterior part of your leg. Breathe. Breathe. And then slowly head down, chest down, releasing the belt. Same way, make sure to release. You can slightly bend, but when you drop, before that, try to straight. Flex your knee, your heels, and exhale, drop it down, placing the belt aside and lie down in Shavasana. Comfortably breathe. Next video will be about the rotation, how to rotate the legs. See you on next video. Take care.